All right, queens and kings, so here is all the items that we will be using for to do the first DIY, which everything is from the Dollar Tree except for the metallic silver spray paint, which you can find that at Walmart, but everything else you can find at Dollar Tree. Maybe not this lav mirror picture frame though, but you always can find some type of mirror picture frame. So let's get started. Okay, so what I did, just took it outside and spray painted in the back, and that secured the mirror. I actually glued that on the inside of the frame there. And as you guys can see here, I'm basically placing some hot glue down where I'm actually going to glue the mirror going the long way vertical instead of horizontal, that it would fill the whole frame. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I will be using the gems to fill in on the sides. Basically, I'm just going to place some hot glue down on the rim of the picture frame as well as the mirror, so therefore I can connect. And I will continue doing this method until I finish the entire frame except for the bottom. Okay, so now that I have the two sides going on, I know I said the entire frame, but you guys will see later in the video. But I'm going to use some vinegar just to clear off some of the dust and debris that's on the mirror here. But by that little image or of lav been on here for so long, it was really kind of hard to get it off, like it fade into the mirror. That was kind of crazy though, but I try my best to clean it as best as possible with this vinegar because honey, it took me a minute to actually get it off there, but I got most of it off, so I'm fine with that. Okay, so moving on with the easel. I'm basically going to place some hot glue on the back where the notches connect, where you can actually open and close it, but I don't want it to do any type of closing, so therefore I'm going to place some hot glue on that, as well as the bottom that touched the bottom of the picture frame there. And we're going to try to eyeball that and place it directly in the middle. Now I'm not using nothing to try to do the center. I'm just eyeballing like I do everything with all my glamorous DIYs. Okay, so moving along, basically I'm just gluing some of my gems down the center here just to fill in the gap of the easel and also to give it a little more glamorous look as we have the sides going on, just to make it look more uniform. All right, so now moving on, I'm going to take my little mini cups and I'm going to glue them on top of the easel, where, as you guys can see what I'm doing here. And this is basically where the tea lights is actually going to go, and now it's starting to form into a sconce in my eyes anyway. Now, even though you guys see me using hot glue, now you can recreate this by using E6000, some type of strong adhesive glue or anything like that, if you feel like that the hot glue is not gonna secure it long or anything like that. But I'm using the hot glue because of the simple fact by this is plastic, it adhere to it very well, and it actually does give a stronger hold. So now I'm just taking some more of these acrylics gems and I'm just going to fill in some gaps, and I'm going to place some of them up under the bottom of the mini cups here, just to give a little more extra glam. Like, why not? You guys know I can be a little bit extra, and you guys loving the extra DIY, so why not give you guys what you've been looking for and what you want and what you keep asking for. So yeah. All right, queens and kings, so here is our little gorgeous mirror glamorous sconce. Like, I love the way that this look because it's all mirror and it's clear and crystals and stuff like that. So what do you guys think? Because I really do love it. Would you make one for your loved one, your friend, or whoever? Is a king. So moving on to the second DIY, which is super simple, super affordable. I'm using a lot of the scraps that I had left from previous DIYs, and one of you queens asked me to do some type of candle holders to match the tray that I did and the hourglass as well. So I was like, what can I do, because it's like, I don't know. What can I create? What can I create? So I decided to do something simple and affordable because this is the most easy DIY or candle holder you can use. Where I'm recycling the Dollar Tree little wine glass that I used the base on it for another previous DIY. And then these little saucers here, little plates or whatever. And then I'm using some more of those gems that I purchased from Amazon, and as well as a Dollar Tree mirror. So the only thing did not come from Dollar Tree are the gems, which I will link those down below, as well as the hot glue gun and glue sticks. So I'm just going to keep on placing a little small amount of glue on each side of it, and I'm going to basically push those into the gap in between where the plate's at. And as you guys can see, I did glue the plates upside down, where one upside down, the other on top of it, and wherever the little manufacturer little marks of the circles at, that's basically where I placed the hot glue. So it wasn't like no rhyme or reason way to place it. So, and I'm gonna continue doing this until I basically get the desired look. But before I actually move on to the next step, you guys are gonna see what I do next. Okay, queens and kings, so now you guys can see that it's starting to get top heavy and it's starting to tip and fall and everything like that. Now, for me to prevent that from happening or it tipping over because it's so light, remember we are using acrylic items here, so it's not as heavy. I'm just going to move on to my mirror. Here I'm actually going to glue that in the center of the top of this candle holder here, and just doing the four corners again and placing some glue down, and that's what's going to give me the support of holding this still, or if it not rocking or shaking or anything like that, or will tip over. And once again, now I'm just going to continue gluing my crystals or gems all the way around. Okay, queens and kings, so here it is. So I hope the queen that actually requests for me to do this little simple DIY, I hope you actually enjoy it. Because if you did make the tray as well as the hourglass, you guys can use this anywhere in your home, your decor, and it's matched. So you have you some table decor ideal. Okay, so now for this one right here, this is just basically a show and tell. I actually did a video on this one here, which I will link it up in the iCards as well as the end. And I want to show you guys where you can actually place these both together to get you two different looks, as with the candle holders. Basically what I'm trying to say here. Totally forgot what they were, but I got two different styles in one. So this is what I mean by two different styles in one. I can use one as a candle holder, and I can use the other candle holder, which was actually inspired by Home Goods. I'm using that as a flower holder. So therefore you can have one as a candle holder and one as a flower holder. And as you guys can see, I do have it on the table with my tray as well as my hourglass. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Valerie's Glamorous Castle DIYs. With that being said, queens and kings, you guys have a blessed day, morning, evening, night, or weekend, or holiday, or whenever the time that you may come across this video. So I will see you all in the next one. Be blessed. Bye-bye.